Noni, Morinda citrifolia L, Part 2. Pharmacological effects. Eliminates moist air in the body, increases bone strength, blood purifier, laxative urine, menstrual laxative, skin softener, cough medicine, worm medicine, laxative and antiseptic, improves circulation. Diseases that can be cured and how to use. Based on various literatures that record experiences from generation to generation from various countries and regions, this plant can cure the following diseases. 11. Thrush. 2 ripe noni fruit are washed and then grated. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Squeeze with a piece of cloth, drink. Do it 3 times a day. 12. Wounded, eczema. Noni fruit, skin or roots to taste after being washed and then boiled. Warmly used to wash wounds or eczema. 13. Roundworms. 2 ripe noni fruit are washed and then grated. Add a tablespoon of salt water, stir and then squeeze with a piece of cloth. Drink after meals 2 to 3 times a day. 14. Diabetes. Noni leaves are washed and then steamed. Eat as cooked lalab with rice. Noni as support. 15. High blood pressure, chicken pox, beriberi, obesity. Noni ripe 2 pieces washed and grated, squeezed with a piece of cloth, drink. Do it 2 to 3 times a day. 16. Cleaning the blood. The ripe noni fruit is washed and then grated. The juice is used to find drinks. 17. Leg skin feels rough, skin softener. The ripe noni fruit is rubbed into the rough skin until evenly distributed. Leave it for about half hour, then wash off with warm water. Do it every day. 18. Dandruff. 3 ripe noni fruit are washed and then grated. Add water and stir until evenly distributed. Noni pulp is applied on the scalp until evenly distributed, until it dries and then rinsed with water until clean. Do it 3 times a week until the itching and dandruff disappear. 19. Constipation. Noni ripe 2 pieces, wash, then grated. Add a little salt, stir and squeeze with a piece of cloth, drink. Do it 2 times a day. Thanks for watching and being an inspiration.